everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cool VHS retro styles video using only InShot app. No extra software needed. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your InShot app and then just import your clips. And then just set your ratio of the video. Go to canvas and then choose ratio 4:3 to get that classic retro TV looks like this. Next, just tap on zoom and then just hit the double text to apply the settings to all clips like this. Now let's add that Vimy VHS 5. Just tap on effects and go to stylist, this one, and then just do streaming effects like this. Adjust the value and then check mark and then adjust the durations like this, and then tap on effects again and go to retro and select the VHS filter for the authentic finishing touch, this one. Adjust the value, check mark, and then adjust the durations like this. Next, let's add transitions between your clips. Just tap on the icon between clips and then choose clips transitions, this one. Adjust the durations to your liking, be like this, and just apply it to all transitions for a smooth, consistent retro feel like this. And then go to ending of the clips and then tap import, choose video or photo, then go to material, choose transitions, and then choose TV distortion video, this one, and check mark. This will make your outro look like an old tape stopping. And let's add a music. Just tap on audio and then music, scroll down and choose Not the King album and choose Ice-T as your background tag. It's a chill and matches the retro mood perfectly. Just download it and use. Adjust the durations like this. And okay, let's play the video. And that's it, you have just made a nostalgic VHS retro style video using InShot. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and